bought a Lima Class 31 series from my local model shop for, well, in my price range, and I'm going to convert it from DC to DCC. Now, I also need to bring it to the camera there. One camera there. Where are they? This is right. Install some working lights front and rear. Already got the LEDs, which I bought from DCC Concepts. They are 2mm bi-colour LEDs with resistors. And I've ordered some more, which should be coming soon. Because this was supposed to be, the first upgrade I was supposed to be doing was for this. It's another Lima, 156 Central Triens. But that is a paid job that I managed to do, which quite frankly is rubbish. So that's getting put on the back burner for the time being, while I figure out how to get my 3D printer to print the insides of the coach. Because when I did do it, I had to cut off all the passengers that would go in there. That took me 3 hours to try and paint during the 2023 Eurovision Song Contest. And it is rubbish. It really is rubbish. I mean, I know you're not going to see it when it's in there. I'm not going to try and get it in there. But I know it's rubbish. So I'm going to do it again and give me the chance to update and modernise the insides. But until then, this is what I'm going to try and do. Now, I've not had a look inside this yet. I'm assuming it's got a Ringfield motor. I'm assuming it's pretty old as well, but because it's an EWS, we know it's post-privatisation, because EWS didn't exist before post-privatisation. Let's take it apart and see what we got. Now, I'm assuming, there it is. It's coming off straight like that. Fingernails underneath it, and that's coming out really easy. So, yes, Ringfield motor. There it is. Okay. Now, I didn't know what a Ringfield motor was. I didn't know why it was called a Ringfield motor until I looked at it, and it's because it's got all these gears exposed. Now, this might have... Actually, no, I think it's an upgraded motor. Alright, if I look closer there, camera. I'm using 2 cameras at the moment, my tablet and my computer's webcam. So I don't think I will need to upgrade that. I might put in a different motor anyway because it was a bit jerky starting off. So, where do we begin? I'm going to get my drill and drill some holes so we can put some LEDs in there. Be right back. This is the decoder I'll be using, which is a plug-in decoder from Gauge Master. I really don't know enough about decoders to say whether it's better or worse than other decoders. There we go. These are 3mm LEDs from DCC Concept. The 2mm are over on that desk there, which is behind. I'll grab them in a sec. These are, I don't know if you can see properly, allow you to plug in the chip without doing a hard wire, which you would need to do ordinarily on this kind of thing. These are 3D printed drivers, which were going into the 156, which will now go into here. And this is the mini drill that I got from, where was it? I got it from Lidl, which is not bad actually. I think this is 2mm. Yes, that's 2mm. So 2mm drill bit going in there. Remember how this goes in. This works. Right. Yeah, I'm going to do this with these to make sure it's in tight. And that's not moving anywhere. Now, this has a variable speed on it, so I'm going to knock it right down to 2 and see how it goes. Knock this off and see. I've knocked the speed on this down to 2. It's going in there just so. Also the angle, actually goes in quickly. Knock it up a bit. Knocked up to 3 now. And maybe I should have used a smaller drill bit. Which I think I will do now. Just to get that hole started. There's a reason why this channel is called How Not to Build a Model Builder. And that's it. Now we're using a 1.4mm drill bit. Just try and get this working. So, fiddly bugger. There we go. And tighten that up. It's too small anyway. Ah, the joys. Right, I'll use the next one up because I can't be bothered to change the adapter. And that should just be spot on almost. No, I'm going to change the adapter anyway. Okay, put that there. Get the smaller one out, which I think is this. Yeah. Put that back in there. I'll try again. Hang it up. I'm getting hair there. I really should wear a hairband when I'm doing these things, because otherwise my hair will constantly get in the way. Okay. Right. Now, do the other side. I think that's how to do it. It's like this. Yeah, that's a lot easier. That was a lot easier. Right, I will go find the 2mm LEDs and then drill the next bit. There we are. Stare me in the face. Now this is part LED-RWT, 6 red and white LED with 1K resistors. I'll put the link to these in the description. They are currently on clearance at about £2.49, I think. So they may be getting rid of them. If you do want them, buy them now. Otherwise, you may lose them. Yeah, that will go in there fine. So I need to make that a little bit bigger. But that was just a pilot hole that was drilling to this smaller drill bit. And it won't come off. Okay, maybe it's the bigger bit. I'll put it back like that. Right, this was here. I've already said a 1.4. Going back to the 2mm drill bit, which is this one. Put that in there, or there. One day I will figure out how to do this properly. I don't know when that'll be, but one day I will. That's in there, over the top, and screw this back in place. Okay. And tighten up. Put that back. Now we have a smaller hole and we have a guide hole. And that went in a lot easier, a lot neater. This drill is not heavy, but the weight of it helped it go in.
This is a reminder. Check the washer. This is a reminder. Check the washer.
That goes in there fine. And you have to take these windows out to see if I can fit it in. Yes, they're not glued in, but I might break them. And I'm just trying to be gentle and lever this out. But knowing me, I will end up breaking this. From that side, and try again. There we are. So that's the key. Finger either side, and leave it down the front. Now, we should go in. Now this should go in pretty much all the way and stick out a tiny little bit. You probably can't see that on camera, but that should do. I think when I put it in, put a bit of blue tack in to hold it in place, and some rocket card glue, or some of the Yoo-hoo style glue. Pops a little bit, but I'm happy with that. Put that back in there so we don't lose it. And put that there and try and take this one out. Hopefully it's going to be easier than previously. It's not a good sound. Not a sound you want to hear. And it's gently coming out. Just a little bit of fiddling. Slightly easier, but still a pain in the rear end. Remember, you're on YouTube, do not swear. And there's the second one out. There's also other internal windows here and here and here. So I don't think I need to take that out, so I'm going to leave that as it is. Although I may put some internal lighting in there so they light up a little bit. Might also use that to hold the chip in place. Haven't decided yet. So I'm going to try the rest of this later on. So this is well, try this later on. Goodbye.